What's going on, guys? Blue Dude back here again. Today I have something different to share with you guys. I had recently purchased these scosche 6x5 4-way speakers. My stock ones were blown, and I was looking for something cheap for the time being. And went to local Walmart and picked these up. Well, I installed them and I'm surprised. They got a lot of bump to them. They kick hard. So, looks are deceiving. So, I installed them. I'll give you guys a little test here. What they sound like. Oh, and I recently did this. It was white, and then I did it with the green. Looks pretty clean. But I'll let you guys listen here. Probably a good song. Alright, listen to this, you guys.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel you fade away?
And this on super bass.
Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
And I have some here in the front. I got the ones in the back. But go outside and turn it up. I'll show you what it does. Check this out. It rattles the hood. This thing is ridiculous. Open the hood here. Look at those things. Things bump, you guys. So yeah, installed those. And like I said, I'm surprised. Because I had no idea what to get because, like I said, my other stock speakers, they were pretty blown. It came with the car. So I wanted something that had some bass and good treble to it. And these worked out. Believe it or not, these things were like 30 bucks. And that's not bad. So that's my review of the scosche 6x5s. And I like them. And I highly recommend them. So until next time, Lou Dude out.